Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Richmond, and I'm about to start something called Just My Thoughts. Now, what I want to do in Just My Thoughts is just have conversations with myself and my viewers, just to tell you what's on my mind, things that I think hold to be true. It can range from politics to just life in general, to style and fashion. So I'm here today to start something like that because I think it'd be cool to share with you guys my thoughts. So today I wanted to talk about positive and negative energies. I truly believe positive and negative energies is pretty much how we move through life and can affect everything that we do. For instance, we all have a negative friend out there. We all have that one friend who's always broke, who's always getting fired from his job, who always has a problem. You notice that person is always negative. And then you have your friend who's always positive, very successful, always doing what he has to do. And even when he has something bad happen, guess what? He's very positive about it, or she, because they know. They know that no matter what, they're going to be successful in whatever they do as long as they keep their mind positive. Now, here's the cool thing about positivity. Positivity can be spread. Like vibes, positive and negative vibes can be spread throughout one another. So if you're a very positive person, you find that people like to hang out with you. People enjoy your company. They love your presence because they can feel that power, that positive power rubbing off from you onto them. Now, that is very powerful. But if you're that negative person, now imagine, you're a negative person and you have negative vibes. All you're doing is brushing off your negative vibes onto someone else. So what does that mean? You're bringing everyone else down. Now, as a good friend, let's be honest, who wants to be the negative person? Who wants to bring their friends down? Well, we all know there's people out there who don't care, who don't really care about your issues, who just want to complain and complain and complain. And you being the positive person that you are, because I know you're positive, you'd rather sit around and talk about how we can make things better in life because life is good, but we can be greater. Now, negative and positive has to be invited in. When you speak negative, you're opening the door for more negative to come into your life. You're talking it into fruition. You're saying, hey, you know what? I don't think I'm going to be able to do this. I'm not going to be able to do this. Guess what? You won't be able to do it. But then you got the winner who's like, man, I'm going to kill the competition. I'm going to murder them. I'm going to blow this out the park. Guess what? The one who was negative isn't going to get what they said. They're going to fail like they said. The one who was positive, man, he's going to win. And if he doesn't win, he knows this was a win because he learned, he grew, he became better. And that's the difference between positive and negative vibes. You got to open the door. And the messed up part about it is when you're hanging out with negative people, their door that they opened up for negativity is rubbing off on you. So they're allowing the negative to come into your life. And no one wants that. We need to be positive people. In the world we live in today, there's just so much negativity. We love to watch shows where women and men are arguing and fighting over he did this, she did this. We love when people are cheating on each other. We want to see fights. That's not the world we need to be in. That's not the zone we need to be in. Positive people don't spend any time on that. Why don't they spend any time on that? Because they're too busy being positive and building more. You know what I mean? Who wants to sit around and watch women argue on TV? I'm not going to speak any names, but you know the shows. You guys watch them, I'm sure. We don't have time for that. The reason we don't have time for that is because we're busy living, enjoying ourselves, our families, our friends. We're enjoying our positive things that we're doing. For instance, instead of sitting home doing nothing, shoot a video. Talk about your day. Let's talk about the good things in your day. Even though they were bad, why is it good that something bad happened? Because you learned from whatever that bad thing was. Now, if you don't learn from it, then you're the complainer. You're the one who's going to say, hey, my life stinks. Man, I'll never be anything. Guess what? You're never going to be anything. Just tell yourself you're beautiful. You're great. You're valuable. We all love you. And whatever I'm going through right now at this moment, this time, this is just a test. This is just me closing the door on negativity and not allowing it in, right? Because I'm full of positive, no matter what. I mean, things happen in life. Like I said, you can have people around you who have that negative, and as long as they're around you, they're opening the doors to negativity into your life, and you don't want that. No one wants that. So we need to be positive. Positive people only. Positive friends, positive vibes, positive thoughts. Because this is the biggest muscle in the body. So if you can condition yourself to think positive, to think about the things you can do, about everything you can achieve, then you're going to do it. Don't sit around and wait. Don't sit around and think someone's going to come along and make you feel better about you, because you can only make you feel good about you. They're just outside presences. They're not going to really make you say you're beautiful. A man can tell a woman she's beautiful, or a man and a man telling each other they're beautiful anytime they want. But if that person doesn't believe they truly are beautiful, then guess what? It's effortless. It's pointless, because they're just not going to get it, because their self-esteem is so low. So it's very important, guys, that we understand positive and negative energy is how we move through life. We're either very positive beings or we're very negative beings. And if you're very negative, it's going to be very hard for you to become positive. But you have to work towards that. There's some days where I'm very depressed. I'm sitting here like, man, I messed up. And then I'll hear some powerful stuff and I say, man, that's beautiful. You're right. Man, why give up now? I've come so far, right? I've come so far. Why become so negative? Because life isn't what I want it to be right now. Now, right now is just me building that life that I want. You don't just get something, you build it. And sometimes we forget as people, and I'm letting a negative in, like, I'm not doing too good. Well, in reality, I'm doing great. I'm doing phenomenal. I'm not broke. I'm not homeless, and I feel bad for them. What I'm saying is, they're in a worse situation than I am. I need to appreciate what I have and move back into the positive thought. The more, I'm not broke. I am not homeless. My family is okay. I can do better, yes, and I will do better. Nah, I'm doing bad. Dang, this can only get worse. You understand? See the difference in the same situation, two different ways of thinking. And that's what's going to make you a winner in life. That even if you're not trying to win anything or do anything, it's going to make you walk down the street with a smile. That's positive. This is negative. People can feel you and sense you. So please be that positive energy in every friend's life. If you got complaints, talk about it, but don't be all about complaints. Be about action and fixing those complaints. That's the key. Learn from whatever you don't like about your life and fix it and move on to the next thing that you're going to conquer. Well, it's been great talking to you guys about positive and negative energy. I hope you guys all have a great day. Remember, you are valuable, you are smart, you're beautiful, and can no one else tell you otherwise, because you know that.